Okay, so after your dough is risen, you want to either, if you rose it in your KitchenAid bowl, you can put it right back on the mixer and have the KitchenAid do the kneading for you. That's what I would normally do, but since I had such a big batch, I'm going to do it this way. Plus, it's kind of relaxing working with the dough. I'm basically just stretching it a little bit here. You don't have to overwork this dough because it already got a really good workout in the KitchenAid the first time around. You're going to want to keep flouring your hands and your work surface so that everything doesn't become too sticky. And I like to pull and stretch, get it going. I'm going to make 2 loaves out of this, but I'll knead it together first and then I'll form them separately. That's really just how you want to do it, as long as you're, moving the dough and stretching it, it should be good. Everybody has their own technique. It's how you like to do it. I like to do it to music. I don't know why. Well, yeah, I do, because music is music. Okay, so my surface is getting pretty sticky here, so I'm going to need to add some more dough. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut this in half. So I just kind of stretch it out like this, get everything off my hands that I can. And I just do a cut right down the middle. It's not perfect, it's not perfect. Nothing homemade is, and it's no fun if it is. So I'm going to roll these around. Pull down while I get some more flour. Okay, so we got some more flour here. I'm going to knead each one individually. I like to shape it in under itself, but I'm going to be using these loaf pans, so I'm going to want more of an oblong shape than a circle. After this, the second batch I'm going to make into rolls, and you'll be able to see how I do that. But basically, I just like to keep folding it this way, and fold it this way, this way, this way, this way. And it's just basically, oh, gotta spray it. It's okay if there's a little flour in it. You could go heavy on the bottom, don't go heavy on the top though, because again, you'll smother the bread. So I just put that in there like that, and then I work on the second one. Set this aside. We're gonna let that rise again. And again, a scraper is really good. I have to get mine from down the house. It'll help you clean up your surface too, keep it nice and neat. I like to see when you get those splits on top, it means that the gluten is really well formed. So you want to see a little bit of pull and a little bit of tear. And at this point, if you wanted, you could add some fresh herbs, or if you wanted to make like a sweetbread, some cinnamon, or just don't add any more flour, water, or oil. Well, the flour obviously is getting added anyway, but now we have them like that. Oh, I don't want to fix that because that will create a tear there, but I try to be careful after I put it back in the pan because you don't want that oil smothering the yeast. Okay, at this point I like to give it a slash. Some people wait till later, but I try to give it now because I figure that makes my life easier later on, and I hate the thought, and you could slash it however you want, but it just basically allows the bread to rise in certain areas without cracking.